Hi, I'm Halif, and I'm half of the Round the World guys. I've been exploring the city of Sofia, the capital city of Bulgaria, where I visited the Rila Monastery, probably one of the most beautiful monasteries in the region. Here, I was introduced to the delicious monastery bread called Mekitsa and its delicious yogurt. Monastery yogurt. After that experience, I'm intrigued with Bulgarian delicacies. So in this video, I decided to dive deeper into the Bulgarian food scene in and around Sofia. So throughout Sofia, there's a lot of Asian fusion dining restaurants, and this is one of them. I have a tofu poke Hawaiian bowl, which cost me 8 lef and 90 cents, or about $4.25, something like that. Looks healthy. Minus the sweet chili mayonnaise that I ordered as a topping. Add some soy sauce. On to the next dish that's probably a lot more traditional. So I'm currently in the pedestrian street called Vitosha. This is a famous street here in Sofia. And next to the McDonald's here, I found a little store that sells pizza. And for breakfast today, I got to try something that's super famous here. It's called the Banitsa. Banitsa is a popular pastry dish from this region, which includes Sofia, and it is typically served with regular yogurt, and it can be served cold or hot. This morning I got two different kinds, the ham and cheese Banitsa, as well as a cabbage Banitsa. Where do I start here? There are so many ways to eat them. Alright, let's try some Banitsas today. Oh, it's so good. It is warm, it is fresh, it is tasty. I really love Bulgarian breakfast so far. But instead of yogurt, I got McDonald's coffee, so don't judge. And now I'm ready to go. Yeah, exploring the food scene by myself is fun. But I decided to dive deeper into the Bulgarian food scene by joining a professional food walking tour. Alright guys, I'm here to join my next tour. This is probably the world's first free walking tour that involves food specifically. So we're gonna check out the Balkan Bites. I love that name. I think it's a very clever name. And we're meeting up here in front of this creepy dude. I love our tour guide already, and she's so patient and she just sounds so calm.
I promise I don't bite. I know it's called Balkan Bites, but it's not because I bite. Saturday and Sundays it gets very full, and unfortunately I'm only allowed to take 15 people. But those that made bookings and those that came here.
With that said, we're gonna start our Balkan Bites tour.
So please, if it's anything I should know about, does everybody drink alcohol?
Balkan Bites is the first walking tour that combines with a food tour, and they were established in 2013. My guide said that ever since, there are many copies all around the world. This is the tastiest way to explore a city. All right, first stop here.
It's called Supa. It's a really special place because they offer over 300 soup recipes, which is amazing.
This is Tarator, a Bulgarian cold cucumber soup, a popular food for the summer.
And the main ingredient of it is that very special thing I was telling you about earlier, which is of course Bulgarian yogurt. Right? I hope.
Tastes like tzatziki.
I don't even have to mention, and that of course is garlic. Spot on, garlic, exactly.
It just tastes like tzatziki, except it is a lot thinner and it's very garlicky. Love it. This is really refreshing. I'm sold with the idea of the Bulgarian yogurt. Very good.
I hope all of you like wine and you'll give our wine a chance. This is Garafa, which means wine bottle in Portuguese. And yes, it is a wine bar.
Yay, wine time. So naturally everybody's excited about tasting some Bulgarian wine.
I can tell you more about it.
Let's go inside and then I'll tell you more about it. Alright, don't drink it yet. I want to tell you about it first.
Here, I learned a lot about the underrated Bulgarian wine, which rich history can be traced back to 4000 BC.
You'll see there are these glass bottles
It is a refreshing experience for all of us. I have the big one. Holy crap!
Yeah, the guys
Big
always
glass,
say
that is.
Bulgarian, because as they say, when in Rome, do as the Romans. Well, when in Bulgaria, do as the Bulgarians, right? And the most important part of that is to look at the person in the eye to show them respect. And as we clean our glasses, we're going to say "Na zdravie." Oh, good, somebody clapped.
With which kind of food would you recommend this wine?
This is excellent with what we just ate, by the way. That's why we are offering to you white wine, because they pair beautifully together.
It is really good. It's definitely very refreshing. Didn't know that Bulgaria produced wine. Now I do.
But that doesn't mean we can't have some burgers, right? And this is what this place is. It's called Skaptoburger. Let's go inside and then I'll tell you more about it. Organic ingredients that come straight from the farm.
Ooh, Bulgarian burger.
Just because it's fast food doesn't mean it should be unhealthy. And this place combines these two things beautifully. And every time I've asked them to tell me the ingredients, they always bite off my head. The last time I asked, the guy told me over my dead body. So really it's not.
Burger is definitely not a traditional Bulgarian food, but we are more than happy to taste some. This is so pretty. And our burgers get butchered, basically. Stuck.
There we go.
All right, cheers.
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 Times, it shows you that this is the king of all burgers in Sofia.
It's really good.
Oh good, excellent.
Really tasty.
Alright guys, so obviously this is the food tour, but that doesn't mean we can't stop by and look at some other interesting places as well. And this is a very famous church called the Savor.
We started to get into the end of the tour, and this time we're gonna have some dessert. It's gonna be good. We always have room for dessert. This is definitely the place to go, I suppose.
Alright guys, so this is our next stop by my left-hand side over here, but it is a very small place, so that's why we can't go.
As the name implies, this is where you can get Mekitsa in the city. Oh.
The dough is made with eggs. It gives it that very light texture. It is also very intricately kneaded. It takes hours to knead.
Tastes like beignet. It's very oily too, but it's good. That's a perfect bite-sized Mekitsa. Keep us going for sure. Bulgarians are getting healthier and healthier. This is where we can actually go for an alternative, healthier lifestyle ingredients. And they also have bakery and cafe, and that's our next stop.
So this is a smoothie, obviously not very traditional, but you're getting something else as well, by the way.
This is antioxidant shake with soy milk with vanilla protein that's from the brand Warrior, acai berry, maki berry, blueberry, and red berry.
Everything here so far is good. It's so refreshing too. It's good smoothies, and this is good for you for once. And we got a vegan Banitsa next. Thank you.
You're welcome. Ooh, careful.
Ooh, it all fell out.
Dropping
The good stuff.
the good stuff.
Yes.
Yeah. What do you guys think?
Ooh, exciting. Wonder what the next stop would be. How appropriate. We were brought here to this McDonald's. This is actually part of the Sofia or Bulgarian history. This is the first McDonald's that opened back in early 90s. After they stepped out from the communism, they opened the first McDonald's here in the country at this very
It
spot.
was a crazy time of my life.
We're leaving. I guess we're not tasting anything from McDonald's this time.
Traditional Bulgarian restaurant, which is what this place is. It's called Hadjidraganovite Izbi.
Draganovite.
Izbi. Let's put it all together. Hadjidraganovite Izbi.
Now this is exciting because we are going to a traditional Bulgarian restaurant. It's gonna eat something good now.
As you can see, very traditional 19th century Bulgarian architecture, right? And there's a few things I'd like to have a look at here in the entrance before we go downstairs. The traditional clothing that are hanging on one side, you'll notice these are very modestly designed and they're specific to the region of Sofia. That's not true for all traditional clothing.
We're going downstairs to the basement. It was was explained to us that there are chains on top of each table here. Sometimes they do have a plate could be hung on the chain so that you have more space on the table. That's pretty creative.
Technically speaking, so now you get the history behind it. As I told you, this place is called Hadjidraganovite Izbi. Quite a mouthful, I know. I'm so sorry for torturing you to say the name of it.
This is the highlight of our visit. A Bulgarian dish that comes in a bite size.
If you don't like it, and it's made with sheep cheese and buffalo yogurt. Alright, go ahead and try that out. What do you guys think? Yeah,
It's a little bit sour.
Oh, good. Excellent. Nothing like goat's cheese, right? I like cheese. You'll probably notice it's a little bit sweeter in taste. But the biggest difference with this one, obviously all of them had garlic, but the other two had cooked garlic just for flavor.
It's probably my favorite actually.
Oh, good.
I love garlic. And now, time for the Bulgarian wine called Pelin wine. Soy sauce.
So don't worry, what you have in front of you is good wine. I would never give you bad wine. As I told you, wine has been with us for thousands of years. And a spice called Pelin, which is the name of this wine.
Like a communion wine.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Good, excellent.
Sadly, that's the end of our food tour. Highly recommended.
Otherwise, thank you so much, guys, and enjoy the rest of your time in Bulgaria.
Alright, that's it guys from the Balkan Bites. I highly recommend it if you're ever in Sofia to take that tour. It is very informative and it's very tasty. You'll learn one or two things about Bulgarian food. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like to follow along my journey all around Bulgaria and beyond, hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching. Alright, look at this guys. That's like a typical Euro place and he's really cool. What's your name?
Navid.
Navid?
Yeah.
Navid, I'm Halif. Nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet you, bro.
Very nice Euro. Very nice Euro. Alright, take care of it. Alright.